Hey guys, I'm Esthetician Trish McCarty. Today I'm going to share with you my halo results day to day so that you know what you're in for. Now, just be aware that individual results will vary. You can at least get a general idea. Now, depending on who your provider is and your treatment plan, you may be way more red. You may be really swollen, especially if you have deep lines, wrinkles. If you have deep scarring, you are going to have a lot more healing to do and have a much more aggressive treatment if your provider is good. Obviously, just wanted to brighten my skin, freshen it up, and prevent the aging from happening. So I didn't have as much to correct as well. Actually, I had more to correct than I thought. I didn't realize how much superficial scarring I had going on the sides. I was like, oh my gosh. When I saw my before pictures and after side by side, I was like, whoa, I didn't realize I had that much. It is hot. So it's been 2 weeks since I've had a halo. I would say it was kind of a lower level halo. We can go much more aggressive than what I had Aaron do on me. But I would say it was moderate at least. I wouldn't say too low level. But anyway, I had fantastic results. Then this pimple came up, of course, like Seems like every time you get your skin perfect, then here comes a big giant pimple, but I just had my cycle and you know how that is. You can see results for up to 3 months post Halo. What do you guys think? Do you think it was worth it? By the way, it took about 2 weeks for my chest to fully heal. Now there are, even though tomorrow's 2 weeks officially, there's like little hints of the men's here and there. They're really hard to see in this video, but they are there. They're very faint. So just be aware of that. The chest does take a little longer to heal. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! And as I edit this video, I realized I forgot to take a before picture of my chest. We didn't do a lot to my chest, and I didn't have like a lot of aging or anything like that going on. I just did it for prevention, but sorry about that. I totally forgot to take a before picture of the chest.